Good morning, friends. OME 553 Industrial Safety Engineering, third year, fifth semester. A case study on improving the safety standard and oil and refinery industry using mobile application development. About the case study, course code OME 553 Industrial Safety Engineering, company name and address, Canadian manufacturer plant and Canada. Thrust area and robotics and automation, vertical area, the smart city. So this is my empathy part. This maintenance is supposed to be done quarterly on natural gases line and equipment. No evidence is found the maintenance has ever been performed since they were first installed 4 years ago. Such maintenance typically involve checking for fixing gas leaks. Also, the no training has been provided to workers on either understanding the potential for explosive or steps to take avoid the explosion. So some of the time the gas leak from plant, the explosion can increases at the time, affect our village people and nearby peoples. So the cost can be increases so that we can use some sensors. If already sensors are available, some of the sensors are failed. So that first at that time, where is the my leakage cannot identify sometimes. So that these problems are arise in my empathy part. So that I would define this empathy for the gas leakages in the natural plant in Canadian manufacturer company. The next one, problem statement. An expert on fire and explosive notes that the extensive use of natural gases in the plant could lead to an explosion in the plant in some circumstance. The force of the such explosion could be lead to serve injuries and death of workers and possibly cause of building and damage of collapse, damaged or to collapse in the nearby area. So the potential of explosions could develop if sufficient the natural gas leakage occur and plant ventilation system fail. Sometimes to perform properly and certain control and sensors are fail. So once here the sensors are already attached, sometimes the leakages happen. So sensor can detect, cannot detect leakages, so that explosive can create increase the damages of nearby plant, as well as cost can increase based on that plant explosive. This happened in your problem. The next one, the way is material is stored in the plant, it would be in the event of plant explosive be released and impact an area within 1 kilometer of plant. Such an instance could lead to illness or death among the member of the public and could harm animals in the environmental. This happened your my problem. Sometimes the pipelinings are dig inside the dig it and inside the ground level area. At the time the sensors fix the pipeline sometimes cannot detect it. So that if not detected means the leakages created, more number of leakages created and spoiled with our ground level. After that my wastage of my oil in agricultural land in also. So these problems arise in my Canadian company, and sometimes is harmful to village people near the countries sometimes, and affected in 1 kilometers in the area. So that I can identify this problem after I give us some idea and give a solution about this problem. Next one, ideate. So I would analyze it. After that, IoT principle using monitor and industry safety measuring using mobile app. So expert is concerned because the natural gas sensors is connected neither to an automated shut-off system for the natural gases supply or nor to an alarm. The increase the likelihood of an incident and its potential severity using alarm if any emergency. Sometimes the alert from people who live in the city and villages. This is a uh, ideate my solution, ideate based on my problem. So is a pipeline. Dig inside the soil. The pipeline I have attached with the sensors. If any leakages uh, leakages of my oil, and the sensor can absorb the leakages and immediate alert from my control room of company as well as fire station. This happen. This is ideate for my process, and then can alert through my mobile application. Sometimes the system is fault, alert one more application can create a mobile application development. So alert from my mobile application I control with those things. This is a edit of the my problem. So we have attached the sensors nearby boiler container pipelines and sensing leakages sent through mobile application alert from employee and fire stations. This is the area of this process. This is my solution. My solution: dig the soil after inside in the pipeline and ground level and attach my sensors. If any leakages here, the sensing my leakages, that means absorb my leakages and immediate send to my mobile antenna, and the mobile antenna send to my cloud and alert from my control room as well as mobile application and alert from my nearby employee and village peoples and fire stations. This is my theme, my solution about leakages from oil refinery plants. So IoT principles will be implemented in industry, easily monitored through the mobile application and rectify the above the problem. To implement the sensors in the nearby pipeline and process vessels and monitor and control in the computer system. They implement alarm if any emergency, alert from people who live in the city and villages. This is my solution about that one case study. This is my methodology for the step one. I collect the database all type of pipelines and vessels, pressure vessels in the plant, oil refinery plant. Second, create the admin identify number for each and every pipeline and pressure vessels, and each pipeline and pressure vessels to allocate ID number, and each pipelines and process vessels day-to-day updated detail of leakages from which type of vessels and pipeline information sent through my mobile application for the employee and fire station. If any leakages happen, immediately absorb the leakages and send my control room. The control room one alternation is control room, second alternation is my mobile, and the alert from my employee as well as fire station department. Second, the next one, last step. After the employee must be verified and check the each process vessels and pipelines updated and monitored sent through mobile applications. This is my methodology for my about the case study. This is my graphical representation of my methodology. So database collection all type of process vessels and pipelines, login creations, each pipelines and process vessels to allocate identity number and detail of leakages from which type of process vessels and pipelines sent through mobile application for the employee and fire station. And after employee must be verified and check the each process vessels and process pipelines updated and monitored and sent through mobile applications. This is a methodology can I adopt my chemical plant, sorry, oil refining plant in Canadian manufacturing company after easily rectify fire explosion in the area. After that, you can reduce my cost in the plan, uh, take care of my employee, reduce the injuries and death in the area. This is my methodology can implemented in the sector. This is my benefits. Investing in mission safety. Automation is a cost effective decision for business leader who wants to manage the risk and improve my employee morale and reduce the injury and death in the industry and improve general pipeline and pressure vessel safety. Alert from my people who live in the cities and villages. This is my benefits about the case study in the Canadian manufacture. This is my references and thank you.